Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb with Red Racing Industries. Now, we're going to be heading back into the 24-hour Le Mans for episode 42 of Racing Every Single Track and Every Single Car instead of Gran Turismo 7. Now, for a majority of these episodes now, I forgot to talk about the Porsche 944, so let's continue to bring it up. Let's get Gran Turismo to add the Porsche 944. I'm going to continue to mention it, and eventually I'll start posting like actual photos. Anyway, I'm just getting everything set up. Oh, it changed my screen layout. My screen resolution. Okay, this episode's going to look weird to me, but hopefully not to y'all. Anyway, let's go ahead and dive right in. Anyways, take two. Is this recording? Yeah, okay. Take two on this episode 42. Reasoning is because it all shut down. I have no idea if the footage is safe from the PlayStation or not. Don't know what happened. It's happened to me a few times. Well, let's get this going too. Anyway, as I work on this, we will go ahead and go over to World Circuits. We should be fine, I think. There we go. Okay. Couple technical difficulties. We got it fixed. Back to 24 hours Le Mans. No chicane. Afternoon. And 3 laps. And I'm only moving so quick because I've done one before. And I'm killing my batteries on all my devices. I've got 3 cameras in my phone, my remote, they're all dying, and so's the headphones. So I've got a lot of charging to do. Now, it literally made us reset. Like it had just froze right around here. It was just constantly freezing and not wanting to work. Isn't that nice of you? Dadgum Porsche. Nice of you to do that, buddy. Looks like I'm racing a lot of Porsches right now. Okay. We're going to take our position back. Okay, bye-bye GT3. Another GT3. And more. Another GT3. Ferrari GTB4. Okay. We got the new 911. Come on, we ain't got a single chicane here, so we're going for top speed. I'm going to try and get some drafting in here to hit higher speed. Come on. And there's no chicane at all. So we're going to keep going. Just keep going. Right behind the RCF. Around the Civic. Don't spin me out now. I'm going to be too happy with you. I was just prepping to slow down. Didn't need to at all. $163. That's where we're at. That's it. 164. Also new turbo. Oh, come on. They got me in this. Until we get to the high end of it, it seems like. I mean, I've got them on corners all day long, but... Oh, it's so realistic. In a sense. Get him in the corner. There we go. Past P11. take on the Ferrari F430. Oh, he's gaining. He's pulling away. We still got our corners up here. Got the chopper. Lamborghini, I think. Maybe not. Maybe it was a Bugatti or a Citroen. I think it's a Citroen, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Won't know until I pass it. Yeah, Citroen. I don't know, I said Citroen. Oh, now we're finally up to the 911. Dang! He pulls away once again. And the Ferrari's trying to get past us. I'm going to defend that one. Nah, I earned it, buddy. You're going to have to take it back. If you want it that bad. Little do I know, he's going to ram me off the track like everybody else. There we go. Right behind you, Turbo S. Such a beautiful looking car. Yeah. Well, not exactly what I was trying to accomplish, but guess it'll work. Come on. Well, dag. I don't know if these chicanes are the better or if worse for this car. Because it conquers in the corners. It dies somewhat in the straightaways. Oh my goodness, I've got everything to charge here today. Keep going, straight hauling. No braking. No slowing down. Ah, the Ferrari. Come on, you 458. Stop paying attention to it. 165 miles an hour, 66. Okay. 167. I think that's the top speed. 167 miles an hour. Even though you'd think it'd have more to go. That's it. That's all it's got to give. There you go, ramming into both the Ferraris. Oh well. Nope. Nope. Come on. He took me. He's got me in the straightaways all day long. As I remember, let's get that Porsche 944 in here. Let's hit Gran Turismo to add the Porsche 944. Back ahead of the Ferrari 458. Come on. I have to try a little bit harder than that, buddy. I'm too competitive for this. Slow down. No, 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 no. Ooh. Ooh. We're going too fast here for a second. Okay, past the GTR. P5. Still got an entire lap. Let's pass the F40. Beautiful yellow. Stay on the track here. Oh, F50. I'm sorry. I saw the front end. Oh, come on. I'm trying to get past the turbo. He's not being very easy with me today. Did that all without touching him. He keeps getting me in the straight lines. I just know I'm getting closer and closer to overtaking him. Like I did the Ferrari. Well, there I'm butting heads with him. Back into P3. He's going to take it again. Come on. Come on, Roxy. Get up there. Take that position. Now he's back behind us. I'm showing you what this Type R has got, I'll tell you that. And once again, it is stock. I do not have any modifications done to it except for tires. Tires is the only thing. I know that could change a lot. Especially in the corners. Oh, he's coming up quick. He is really gaining. I mean, I can tell right here. Oh, he's closing that gap so fast. Oh, come on. No. Which way is he going? Which way is he going? Come on. Yes. Made you slow down, buddy. I'm going to keep you behind me. Oh, he slowed down a bit. And I'm keeping my pace. Come on. He's going to try again. I know it. Nope. I'm setting up, buddy. Nope. Oh, you're going to take the inside? And brake too late? Come on. Oh, he got one over on me. I gotta keep you in my sight. And I can get you. I'm just fighting this Turbo S right now. Come on. I know I can get you in the corners. Right there's one. I just gotta keep him behind me for this last stretch. And I've got him corners all the way through. We ain't got nothing on P2 though. That's unfortunate. At least at this moment. We'll see. And brake. We're gaining on P2. Not quick enough, but... Oh, come on. That was a mistake. Yeah, we've got all the time on P4 through these corners here. P2, we're trying to get that time, but I just don't know if it's enough. I don't think it's enough. Nope, not enough. Dadgum. Anyway, there goes dying one camera. Yep, one camera dies. Anyway, that tells me it's time to start getting things downloaded onto the phone and getting edited. But anyway, that was episode 42 of Racing MC with Track News and Car instead of Gran Turismo 7. This is getting fun. I kind of enjoy the harder ones instead of the easy ones. Yes, it's fun to win, but also it's fun to have a challenge. Anyway, I do want to say thank y'all again for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this episode. I'll see y'all on the next one.